is Wednesday. It's June 6th, and today, by the title, you guys can see that today is surgery day. A couple of vlogs ago, I can't remember exactly when, I talked to you guys and I told you guys Michael had hurt his knee really bad, and he was like walking on crutches and had to do like an x-ray and MRI and all kinds of stuff. Anyways, turns out that he actually really messed up his meniscus, I believe it's called. So he is having surgery today, which is, I guess they called it a surgery slash like procedure, but either way it's a surgery, and no matter how big or small, it's, you know, it's still surgery, and it's still, you know, terrifying. So it is 11:46 right now. We need to leave to the hospital at 1, and his surgery isn't scheduled until 3 o'clock today. So I'm thinking we probably won't be home until about 6:30, and I don't know how he's gonna be feeling. So I'm actually making some dinner in the back, and then I'm also making Michael Jr. some lunch. Both Michaels actually went to story time at the library, and they'll be back soon. So I'm making a lunch for Michael Jr. and for myself, and then I'm also making dinner for us for tonight. My sister is actually watching the baby today, and so is my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is getting here, and then she'll be leaving, and my sister will get here, and then she'll watch the baby until we get home. So yeah, we're definitely having family help today, which is really helpful. Yeah, and then yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I'm nervous, you know, and Michael's nervous too, I can tell. I think at the beginning when we first found out, we weren't too nervous, and because we didn't want to worry about it too much, you know. I guess we're the kind of people that, you know, if we don't need to worry about it yet, we're not going to worry about it, you know. We're going to worry when there's really, you know, something to worry about. So when it had first happened, we didn't worry about it. We just went day by day, and we've been knowing about this surgery for about 2 weeks now, and I think since then we've just really thought about it, and obviously as it got closer we just thought about it even more. So yeah, so I'm definitely nervous. I just think, you know, you just never know what can happen, and it's scary, and you know, we're a family now. It's not just me and him anymore. It's like 3 of us now, and that's hard. And I just think about, like, I'm sure a lot of you couples and marriages out there talk about like what you're going to do in your future, and you know, what you're going to get done and accomplish, and your family and stuff. And I just was thinking yesterday, like, okay, let's just say something happened. Everything we talked about was just like a, I don't know, it's just, you know, a dream, I guess, you know, and it just makes me really sad. So yeah, I'm nervous, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm sure everything will be fine. I mean, he's 29 years old, he's strong, he's healthy, you know. There isn't any major complications with him at all, so I'm sure he's gonna be fine. It's just scary, you know, just scary. So yeah.
Come here, give me love. Okay, I love you.
Give Daddy besitos. Lots of kisses to Daddy.
Give me a kiss.
Hi.
Can you give me a kiss? Mwah. I love you, buddy. I'll see you after.
Surgery, guys. How you feeling?
Oh, better.
Yeah?
When I first woke up, it was rough. really rough. The first thing I said, and the nurse was holding my hand, and the first thing I said, I thought it was Blanca. I said, "Where's my baby?"
But everything,
even though I know where he is.
But everything turned out good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be home soon.
Soon.
Hey guys, so it's the next day now, and we're obviously home now. Michael is here, and he's doing a lot better.
Hello.
How you feeling?
Doing good. I'm not in any pain, so that's good.
Here's his knee. And he got a tan, but it didn't quite work, you see?
No,
he got a bad tan.
It's that stuff they put on to make sure that your legs like clean, super clean. It has a dye in it, so I'm orange right now. I was coming out of it last night after the surgery, and I didn't have my glasses on, and I had both my feet right next to each other, and I was like, is my feet different colors? I thought it was because of swelling or something, and Blanca was like, oh no, yeah, they are different colors, but I think it's okay.
Yeah, so he's doing a lot better. He's not in any pain, and he hasn't taken any kind of pain medication at all, besides what they gave him at the hospital, but he hasn't taken anything at home, so that's good. I'm glad. And yeah, he's doing a lot better. He's been walking around a little bit, trying to get it, like, you know, to not get stiff or anything like that. And
yeah, the only reason I am actually walking around with it without any like canes or supports or crutches is because the doctor called me and said that I can walk full weight bear it on the foot, so
Hi.
That's cool.
Yeah, so there's that, and yeah, everything turned out good. He's all fixed, hopefully, and yeah, he just has a checkup in 2 weeks, and then after that he should be all set, so no more doing anything crazy anymore.
Yeah, I'm sorry my son beat me up. That's what happened.
That's his story, and that he's sticking to it, that Michael beat him up. That's his story.
It's true. We were wrestling, and then he pushed me down like a bully.
So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know how he's doing, and let you guys know that everything is good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'm just glad that he's better and he's healthy and he's home. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. You can give him besitos? Oh, okay. Give him besitos.